Ashley. Today we have a math lesson about greater than, less than, or equal to. I know we talked about this, I think, a couple of weeks back, but it is on many of our academic goals, and we want to make sure that we're hitting all of these. So let me show you these symbols again. Oh, come on. All right. So we have the greater than, the less than, and the equal to sign. So we are going to make some choices today and work on which numbers are less than, are greater than, less than, and equal to each other. Here we go. So let's pick a number. Let's pick the number 3. So if you look up here, I just typed the number 3. But I also like to represent my numbers in different ways. So this is the number 3. Let's use our dots to have 3, to represent 3, the number 3. We have 1, we have 2, and we have 3. So you all know Miss Ashley loves to clap these out. So let's try. 1, 2, 3. All right, so let's try our second number, then we'll make a decision about if it's greater than, less than, or equal to. Let's pick 5. So let's put 5 blue dots so we can represent 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. You know what's coming next. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Perfect. Okay, so now we have to decide which number is greater than, meaning the other number will be less, or if they're equal. Here's something I like to do. I like to group numbers together, and then we'll see if we have more or less on either side. So let's count. So I'm going to move, you can see I'm going to move all the numbers, all my little blue dots, Miss Ashley can't talk today, to the bottom of my screen. All right. So let's see. So let's move up 1 at a time. Let's move up 1 on the left and 1 on the right. Okay. They're even right now, but we still have more. Let's move over another 1 on the left and another 1 on the right. Okay. Let's move over another 1 on the left and another 1 on the right. Okay, uh-oh. There's no more to move up on the left. So that means we have our 1, 2, 3, our 3 dot markers already there. Let's look on the right. We have 1, 2, 3 on the top, but we have more on the bottom. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have left over on our right side. This means the number on the right has more or is greater than the number on the left. So let's count it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is greater than 1, 2, 3. So let's put our symbol.
Less than.
Oh, no.
Less than.
My goodness, that's not the one I want. Sorry.
Greater than.
Oh. I see. Even Miss Ashley's having a day. Let's try this again. Come on. That's less than. So this is saying 3 is less than 5. Oh, my goodness. I could not get myself together. So, because we talked about this before, this big side, right? And remember that we said make that symbol look like a alligator. So if Miss Ashley put teeth over here inside this big mouth, alligators always want to eat more, right? So they want to eat the bigger number. So 5 is greater than 3, or 3 is less than 5. All right, let's try again. Let's erase. And again, Miss Ashley is using Unique Curriculum. You all have a login. If you want a reminder about your login information, please let your teacher or Miss Ashley know, and I'll get that for you. No problemo. All right, let's do another example. Let's get a little more now. Let's do 6, and let's do 2. So let's see. We're going to use our blue dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So let's clap it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So let's go to our number 2 right here on the right. 1, 2. Let's clap it out. 1, 2. So Miss Ashley really should put the markers on the bottom to start with, but I'm going crazy today. So let's use our strategy and put all of the numbers on the bottom. All right, we ready? Let's pull them up on each side to see which number, the 6 or the 2, has some left over. And that will be the bigger number. So let's see. Let's pull one up here. One up here. All right, let's do another one. One up here. One up here. Uh-oh. Look over here on the bottom right. There is no more blue. Let's look on our left. Oh, let's see how many we have left. 1, 2, 3, 4. For the number 6, we have 4 more left over. Friends, what does that mean? Which number is greater? Which number has some left over on the bottom? The 6 or the 2? You're right, the 6. Good job, everyone. So let's do this. Perfect.
Greater than.
Greater than. So 6 is
Greater than.
2. I thought it would talk on that, but it didn't. So 6 is greater than 2. All right, let's do 2 more. This one won't go away. Oh, there it is. Now it just goes away. Okay. So let's put our markers back. So we are going to do, again, greater than, less than, or equal to. So let's pay close attention on this one because Miss Ashley might trick you or try to trick you a little bit on this. So I'm getting rid of our numbers. Let's do this number and this number, okay? So we see them, but a lot of times when I look at numbers, I might not know them right away. So we're going to use our blue markers and then we're going to count them out. So let's use our markers. We have 1. Oh, I said I was going to put them on the bottom. Thanks, friends. 1, 2, 3, 4. Got it? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. There you go, friends. We have the number 10. We know that because we have a 1 and a 0. So We see the number 10 in numbers. We have our number 10 in our markers, but we also like to hear the number 10, right? That's our different way of understanding numbers. So let's clap it out. So if you can use your hands, or you can use your feet, or you can tap your fingers, whatever is better for you. I'm going to use my hands so you can see them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So let's see. Let's do this side. But before we start counting out, I want you to make an observation for me. Let's look at this top number. Look at this top number. We've talked a lot about things that are similar and different, correct? What do we see that's similar? So what Miss Ashley sees as similar is there's 2 single-digit numbers that make one number, correct? So there's a 1 and a 0. Is that the same or different than what's on the left? You're right, it's the same. I have a feeling that 10 and 10 are the same number. And when we talk about the same, we know we talk about this equal sign. But Miss Ashley doesn't want to jump to conclusions. So let's count it out because we always want to make sure we count it out. Hey, get out of here, signs. Hey, get out. Oh, whatever. All right, let's do it again. Oh, there we go. It went away. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh my God. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. You know I'm going to make you clap it out, but I think we already have our answer. Ready? Let's use our hands or our feet or our head and our switch, whatever we want to do. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Friends, I think we got our answer. We could move these little markers around, but I don't want to waste your time because I know how intelligent everyone is. So, there's not greater than, not less than. They are
Equal to.
Equal to. 10 and 10 are the same numbers. They have the same amount of dots. They look the same when we write them, and they sound the same when they clap them out. Good job. Let's do one more. I tried to trick you, but I couldn't. You're too smart. Okay. Oh, I wish there was a better way of getting these blue dots out of here. It's okay. I tried to delete them. Nothing. You got to put them on back, nice and neat. Uh-oh, that wasn't too neat, but that's okay. All right. Oh, here we go. I'm not picking a high number again like that. Our next one's not going to be too high, I promise, friends. You won't have to watch me do this. My goodness. Crazy, Miss Ashley. All right. Okay, so let's do this again. I'm trying to be sneaky, but I can't. I don't know. Okay, let's do that. Let's do one. Let's do the number 1 and the number 5. All right, let's put our dart markers. This is a little easy. 1. That's it. Just like Miss Ashley, just number 1. Only 1 in here. Number 1. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So Miss Ashley, let's clap, losing it today. Let's clap out the number 1. See, one solo hit, or one solo slap. Let's clap out the number 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. All right, I think you already know the answer right now, but we'll still go through the protocol. So let's pull one up here and pull one up here. Uh-oh, there's no more to pull up here. Let's look at our number 5 column. There are 1, 2, 3, 4 extra blue dots. So what does that mean, friends? Which one is the bigger number, the greater number? It has more. The 1 on the left or the 5 on the right? You're right.
Less than.
1 is less than 5. So we have our little alligator mouth. Always eating the bigger number. Okay, friends, at home or at school or in the community, you can talk about numbers all day long. Talk about how many things you see on the wall, how many times you hear something, how many times you take a bite out of something, use a spoon, use a fork, or how many buttons you press on your communication device, or anything you want. And all of that is really helpful for all of our math skills. Bye, friends.